Hi everyone, and so the final thing I wanted to show you is how I added the dangle to the spine of my Country Bunny mini album. Now as you can see, it's held on by this creation, and I'll show you what that is in a second, and then it's got a chain, and I actually put the chain in this circle, a jump ring, in half so it has a couple of dangles. Besides chain, you could put in ribbon or seam binding or something fluffy like that. So I attached these little, so those are two little bunnies. Oh, does that focus show you if I go closer? They're attached with a jump ring to the chain. And let me show you how I did that. So first you need a piece of chain. Actually, for the Country Bunny one, I used just an old piece of jewelry that I had in my stash. But since then, I found at the Dollar Tree, they have this face mask extension lanyard, which I thought was fabulous. Because if you're driving, you want to take it off of your face. For $1, you get this. And it already has some charms, and there were a couple of them. The ones I got had these leaves on it. Now, it's pretty cheaply made, and these are very small chains. Now, you could go to a craft store and grab something with a little larger chain, or go raid your jewelry box. I'm sure there's something in there that you don't use anymore. But the whole magic of this is this Tim Holtz Ring Fastener. It's like a brad, but it's got a ring on it already. And what you do, grabbing a piece of paper, you just, so this is, let's say this is going to be on the spine of your mini. You just put a little hole. You take the Tim Holtz Ring Fastener and put it in like a brad. And so that really is the whole magic of the spine and how anything dangles from it. Now this is a jump ring, so this opens fairly easily. I say it opens. It does. And with that, you can hang something to that. But as part of my jewelry, I have this little piece, which I hope you can see it. My camera's not focusing today. I'm going to bring it closer. Anyhow, that is a lobster claw. Focus. Thank you. So that is a lobster claw. And you can just take this and open it up and put it on the ring and close it. And there you go. And then to add anything else, all I have is these oh, these are jump rings. I think that's a split ring, not a jewelry maker. But jump rings are easier to do. Split rings will keep your pieces together more. I'm going to grab this split ring. I think that's what that is. Somebody can correct me. And I'm going to take this. I had this piece in my stash, no, I don't know, 10 years. I get to use it today. And I'm going to put it at the end of this chain. I'm going to try to. And then close up the split ring again. And so there is a simple dangle to go on your mini album. And then all you have to do is put this on your spine as you normally would put your spine piece. I make sure I use a lot of glue or tape right where that is. Push it down real well. And that is it. You'll have to check, the Country Craft Creation Shop does have a bee charm kit. You could probably take those items and use those. She also sells some little bunny charms. Those are cute to use. So really all you're doing is taking a chain and putting it onto the ring using the Tim Holtz Ring Fastener. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.